Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I say as now, I'm gonna to change my accent from sometimes I used to sing English accent or American accent or Redneck accent or Brazilian accent, but today nobody come today, but I will try to speak very totally slowly. Just because for people can understand me about, speak English. Unfortunately, I myself totally very difficult when I change from my accent like native speaker to a Chinese accent or bahasa Indonesia accent, totally very totally difficult. But I will try to speak a Chinese accent or bahasa Indonesia accent. Alright, last year I got gas from Russia at the time, but you know what I mean? I'm very slowly I speak. Don't use Redneck accent, don't use British accent. It's very natural and very simple accent. Because everyone can understand me about speaking it like this. If you don't know what I'm saying, I don't have a word. You know what's supposed to mean? I don't have a word. Because how do I'm gonna to speak, a Chinese accent or bahasa Indonesia accent? But last year I got a lesson from people in Russia at the time. His name is Inur. And then Ruslan Sarafova from Russia. Those people is Muslim. Those people are Muslim. But I have no idea why those people don't doing a prayer. When I ask them why you don't prayer, Safir, we are Muslim, but when we are got traveler, we are like a lot of sins, so we don't have to pray. I'm thinking myself, seriously, for Malhab talk like that? If we got traveling, bird, don't have to pray. Doing 5 times 24 hours day and night. But got less than a time. You are Muslim? Indeed, we are Muslim. So why you don't pray? Yes, something as I said just now. We are still traveling. During our traveling, we don't have prayer. Seriously? Yeah. What must have you got? You don't answer me. I have no idea. But those people, artists from Tatarstan, Kazakh, Russia.
Russia, Kazakhstan.
You know what? I elected by national television 2008 at the time. I hope 5 people from Russia at the time that accompany or come along with them during in Banda Aceh. That's because I learned a lot from them. They are very kind, and then those people never find people like me because those people talk. I'm very totally unique people. You know what? You know what I mean? It's okay. If you don't know what I'm saying, it's okay. you are still learning English. I hope you can speak English even don't learn accent, because from this day to the end of the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. So I remind you one more time, even no one comes today, nobody comes. If you want to learn English, you have to study hard. You must read the book every single night, every single day, every single hour, in the room, in the home, in the place, everywhere. You know what I mean? Read the book. You know what I mean? Read the book. Read the book. Study hard. Yeah. Down. Alright. Nice to spin it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You don't know what I'm saying about my life.